Good morning, Educ 325A. I'm just going to start by introducing the materials for this demonstration, and then we're going to go do a separate part and we'll come back. So first of all, you're going to need a large clear container, a smaller clear container, ice cubes, plastic wrap or press and seal, thank you Glad, salt, and water. So to begin this, we're going to need to heat our water first. So I'm going to go put this on the stove. Please maintain safety measures in your classroom, and we'll catch you on the flippity flip. Boiling water is not essential to this demonstration. However, it's going to be more effective and go quicker the hotter the water you have. So just do whatever you can to heat it as much as you can. Because I'm at home, thank you remote learning, I'll be boiling it. Okay. All right, and we're back after a typical time to boil. So now we have our heated water, and we're going to take our large clear container and fill it 1/3 to 1/2 way filled with our warm water. Exercise caution. Okay. Now you're going to add 1 to 3 tablespoons, not necessary to be exact, of salt. Mix that together. Sorry, I didn't say spoon at the beginning. Just want it to dissolve. Now, can anybody think of a large body of water that is salty?
The ocean.
The ocean. Great job, Josh. So this body of water in our large container represents the ocean, and then this is going to represent an island that we're stuck on. We can't drink the salt water, so we're going to place that island in the ocean. Next, we're going to place our saran wrap or plastic wrap, whatever you have, over the large bowl. If you have normal saran wrap, you might want to put a rubber band around it because the seal is very important. Then next, place your ice on top of the saran wrap. Wowza. Okay, well. That should do it. Okay. So if this water is the ocean and that's the island, and then we just put the seal above, I want you to say in the chat what you think that the saran wrap may represent. We're going to leave this bowl, maybe in a table in the back of a classroom, and just check its progress throughout maybe your next class period. So we'll check its progress and see what happens. Before we leave, predict in the chat what you think is going to take place. Just as a progress update, this is 4 minutes, and there's some condensation occurring on top. You see those water droplets at this top edge of the bowl. 15 minutes in, a lot of this ice is melted, and you see a lot of these water droplets all around that plastic wrap. Still the condensation there. 15 minutes. All right, so this is our bowl and our situation after 20 minutes. It looks pretty similar to the 15-minute shot, so I'm not going to do more close-ups. So we're now going to take the plastic wrap and ice off. And now we're going to check our island. Oh, there's water in there. That wasn't there when it started. So if we're stuck on this island, would this water be safe to drink is the big question. So this is where you could call up one of those braver students you have, you know, those with the clout, as they say. You could hand them a straw, and if they want to test this water first, I'm doing this for you, Mrs. Dreves. It's very salty. And then if you want to test the water in the container, it tastes normal. That was refreshing. So say in the chat if you could explain why this water is now unsalty. Next, we are discussing, ta-da, the water cycle. So if you could connect each part of our demonstration with the water cycle in the chat, go ahead and do that. hopefully somebody said, the hot water evaporated, and then the cold that was on our plastic wrap caused that hot water vapor to condense again during condensation, and then all those water droplets were forming on the other end of the plastic wrap, and eventually they become so heavy that Earth's gravity pulls them back to Earth, which is precipitation, which we see in the form of rain, snow, sleet, or hail. And then you could go as far as accumulation, as it accumulated again on our island. And so that's the water cycle, the way that you could demonstrate in the classroom. It does take a little more time, but it's hopefully an effective way that you can do that.